some of the fruits, some of the water,
I don't know. Yes, but thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, you go on the country.
Yes, I was in Bangladesh. Yes, me in Bangladesh. Yes, so this is Bangladesh. Very nice over there. Yeah, big, lots of fruit. Thank you so much. But I want to give him something.
No, you are very kind.
No? Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good afternoon from Athens, Greece. Yeah, I just finished my COVID test, just got it done. Now leaving a hospital. And the COVID test here in Greece cost me around £50 to get it done, because I'm flying out in 2 days back to the UK, which is like finally, today's a Saturday, so they told me I just have to wait a few hours, or if I don't get it by the end of the day today, around 7 in the evening, because right now it's around 1 o'clock. So if I don't get it around 7, I should get it tomorrow morning. And yeah, it was fairly easy, because back in Nepal, when they done the swabs, so they stuck in my nose and inside my throat as well. But this one here, they just done it on the 2 nostrils, so it was much easier. Because yeah, the other one is just like too much. And yeah, the price is all is cheaper compared to what you'd be paying in the UK. And the hospital that I was at, it's around 20 minutes away from where I'm staying, right in the center, because this one is a bit up north. And I used the taxi I used, it was called Beats, something like that. They have Uber here as well in Athens, but the pricing is a bit expensive for Uber. So if you want to get a fair price, best just use Beats taxi services. But I ended up paying for a 20-minute ride. I ended up paying like £10, so it's not the cheapest at all. But going back to the city center, I'm gonna try using the bus, the public buses here. I have no idea how to use it, but there's a bus right in front of me. But you have to buy a bus ticket, and I don't know where to get it and how much it will cost. So we're gonna try and figure out in this video how to use the public transport here in Athens. Finding the correct bus stop, what I need to do is buy a bus ticket. Because to get on the buses you need a bus ticket, and I was just walking around trying to find a kiosk where I can buy a ticket, but I couldn't find any. So I asked someone at a cafe, and they just told me to go to a little news stand, I think that's what it's called, just across the road, and maybe try to get a bus ticket from there. So yeah, that's the first task, get a bus ticket. After the bus ticket, find the correct bus stop and get on the correct bus. It sounds easy, but we'll see at the end of the video. Yes, hello. Do you sell bus tickets here? Bus tickets for bus. I can buy here? One bus, A7. Yes, I just want to one bus. Yes, just one. But buy ticket here. I buy ticket here. Okay. Okay. How much? Oh, okay. Can I pay? Okay, thank you. Over there. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So now that I've got my ticket, it cost me €5.70 cent. I don't know. But the ticket itself, I don't know why it costs so much. I don't know, maybe someone can help me explain the reason for it, but yeah, for a bus ride costs quite a lot. I should be paying, because the taxi to here and took like 20 minutes, only cost me around just over €10, and this bus ticket is costing me €5.70. Yeah, which sounds a little bit too much, but I don't know, maybe it's for the ticket itself that you pay extra, then to charge it up you have some money inside it or something like that, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, but now I've got a ticket. Now the next thing to do is to go and find a bus stop, and even though I'm sitting on a bus stop right now, it's not the right one. There's another one I need to go to, so let's go to that one. I actually think the lady sold me the wrong type of ticket. I can get a ticket that's cheaper than this, where it's only going to cost me €1.20, where it's valid for 90 minutes, and yeah, that's the one I want. Then again, it's my fault for not actually doing the research and finding out the correct ticket to be getting, because €5 for a ticket, it's a bit too much. So I'm going to try and walk back there and maybe ask her to change it for me if it's possible, but we'll see. So this is the second bus I'm missing now. Because I went to get a refund for the ticket that I bought, so I missed 2 buses now. You know Bashindra? Yes. What city is he from? What city is he from? Dhaka. Is he from Dhaka? Dhaka. Where in Dhaka?
Dhaka, Toina, Lotoboiro. Esto Alo City,
No data.
Dhaka,
Dhaka, la.
Dhaka,
Yes.
I'm just gonna go around
Near Dhaka.
Near Dhaka.
and show you
Okay, so
The name?
the prices that you might be paying for
Boiro.
some of the fruits, some of the
Boiro.
water, and
Boiro.
a few
I
other
don't know it.
snacks.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
just
but
compare it.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Yeah.
Oh, you go on the country.
Yes, I was in Bangladesh. Yes, me in Bangladesh. Yes, so this is Bangladesh. Very nice over there.
The first grocery
Yeah,
store
big,
is called Wholesale.
lots of food.
And 50
Thank you so much. But I want to give him something.
No, you're very kind.
No? Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. What is your name? Your name?
Alessandro.
Alexander. Oh, thank you so much, Alexander. Thank you. Thank you. Brother, thank you so much. I saw your friend video. I was in Bangladesh. You know Bashindra?
Yes.
Me, Bashindra. Yes, very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Whoa, that was completely unreal. Getting helped by 2 Bengali boys that's working at a petrol station, because I was looking for a bus ticket, so I walked around for maybe 10 minutes. So I walked around maybe for 10 minutes trying to find somewhere I can buy a bus but there's nowhere selling bus tickets. So I went to the petrol station. I asked them, do they sell bus tickets there? They said no. They just told me to go back to the lady at the kiosk, at the newsletter or stamp, whatever it's called. But I was like, no, she's charging too much, €5. And they were like, okay, hold up, let me just go and ask someone. So they went and asked someone, and they came back with a ticket. And they actually gave me 2 of them, and they said it's valid for 90 minutes. So I was like, for 2 of them, I should be paying them maybe €2.50, €2.40, something like that. The guy was like, no, completely, just take it, just go. We don't want your money, just take it. Yeah, and I took it, and I asked the guys where they were from. They said they were from Dhaka as well. I was like, this is crazy, I just came from Dhaka. Yeah, I was actually starting to give up hope and just think to myself, you know, I'm just gonna call it taxi, because if I'm paying €5, I might as well pay an extra €5 and save me half an hour's journey, 45 minutes journey, and just go home straight direct. Helping me out in Athens. So imagine that, Bengali guys helping me out in Athens. Wow, that's incredible. Like, I was completely hoping that I'll be able to give them something in return, but everything I offered, they all just declined it. Just said, no, you are our guest. Take it, you are our guest. That's what they just kept saying. Yeah, even the Greek guy as well, the local guy, he was just happy enough to help out as well. Yeah, so generous of them, very nice and kind. But the lady that I bought from, she ended up, I almost paid like €5.70, almost €6. Yeah, I knew it wasn't right, so that's why I had to go and give it back. But the bus here, it's okay. Almost my stop now. I've been on the bus for almost 30 minutes, 40 minutes, something like that. So I'm almost back to my place now. an adventure. Even at the end it was fairly easy and quick. As soon as I got the bus pass, yeah, after that the bus came within 5 minutes of just waiting at the bus stop. So yeah, it was really quick afterwards, but it started off pretty hectic and crazy and not knowing what's going on, how much to pay or anything like that. But we got there eventually. All you need is Google Map, no Google Map, Google. Like all the information is all online. So it's my bad, I didn't do the research. I thought it'd just be fairly easy, just buy a bus ticket, the cheapest one as well, then you're off from that. But yeah, it wasn't the case. But eventually we got there, and thanks to those two Bengalee guys as well for helping me out, actually giving me a bus pass. Yeah, very nice of them. So now head back to my hotel and watch the France-Hungary game. Yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock, so football's almost started. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. So bye bye from me from here in Athens, Greece. See you.